Morning children, welcome back to this video. Today's class we will have classwork writing. So all of you take your classwork note. All 7th students take your classwork note. Answer in detail. First question you have written. Yes, you wrote the first question. Second question is there. Yes, write about the experiment to find the center of gravity of the irregularly shaped plate. Write about the experiment to find the center of gravity of the irregularly shaped plate. Okay, you write this question. Write the answer. Make 3 holes of the lamina. Suspend the lamina from the optical pin through one of the holes. Make 3 holes in the lamina. Suspend the lamina from the optical pin through one of the holes. Next, you draw this picture. 3 holes in the lamina. Suspend the lamina from the optical pin through one of the holes. Okay, after you draw this picture, it is in your book also. Okay, then suspend the plumb line from the pin and mark the position of the plumb line on the lamina. Draw lines on the lamina representing the position of the plumb line. Okay, make 3 holes in the lamina. Suspend the lamina from the optical pin through one of the holes. Then suspend the plumb line from the pin and mark the position of the plumb line on the lamina. Draw lines on the lamina representing the position of the plumb line. Then repeat the above steps for the holes. Label the intersection of the 3 lines as X, the position of the center of gravity of the lamina. Label the intersection of the 3 lines as X, the position of the center of the gravity of the lamina. Okay. Now, numerical problems. First question. Geeta takes 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. If the bicycle lies a speed of 2 meters per second, calculate the distance between her house and the school. Geeta takes 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. If the bicycle has a speed of 2 meters per second, calculate the distance between her house and the school. So how do we calculate? Now answer. Time taken, how much? 15 minutes. Yes, time taken 15 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. You write this, children. You write this in your classwork note. Okay, write this question, then write answer, write neatly, write step by step. Look at this and write. Okay, then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Already you know this. Yes or no? Next, speed, you see 15 minutes into 60 is equal to how many seconds? 900 seconds. Okay, do you know multiplication, children? Okay, now speed how much? 2 meter per second. Now we have to find out the distance between her house and the school. So the formula is distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 2 meter. So 2 into 900 seconds. Okay. Now distance between her house and the school is equal to 2 into 900. Answer is 1800 meter. Did you understand? Okay, write this one. Write neatly. You know the formula. When you know the formula, you can do the sum. Okay. So you must study the formula also. Did you write, children? Shall we go to the next question? Okay. Look at this. A car starts from rest and traveling with velocity of 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. What is its acceleration? A car starts from rest and traveling with velocity of 20 meter in 10 seconds. What is its acceleration? So initial velocity of the car is we should take as u. Okay, now initial velocity of the car is 0 meter per second. Next, final velocity of the car reaches to 20 meter in 10 seconds. Yes, time taken 10 seconds. So acceleration formula is u, listen, v minus u by t. V minus u, v value is 20, u value is 0, t second is 10. Okay, now 20 minus 0 is equal to 20. So 20 by 10. So the acceleration of the car is 2 meter per second. Okay, children, 2 meter per second. Okay, don't write that 2 meter per second. Write neatly. You write the steps also. Don't leave any step. Okay. Okay, let us see the next question. Look at this. Third one, a bus can accelerate with an acceleration 1 meter per second. 1 meter per s power 2. Okay. Then find the minimum time for the bus to reach a speed of 100 km per second from 50 km per second. Find the minimum time for the bus to reach the speed of 100 km per second from 50 km per second. Okay. Now acceleration of the bus, that is a, okay, is equal to how much? 1 meter per s power 2. Yes. Next, initial velocity within the bracket u, so is equal to 50 km per second. So 50 into, listen, 50 into, listen children, 50 into 10 power 3, not 103. 103 in podratha. Don't write 103. Okay, 10 power 3. Okay, then 10 power 3 meter per second. Then final velocity within the bracket v. Okay, within the bracket v. So 100 km per second is equal to 100 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3. Okay, now time is equal to, we have to find out the time. So time formula is v minus u by t. be 100 into 10 power 3 minus 50 into 10 power 3. So now we have to take 10 power 3 because outside, because 10 power 3 is common in both, common. Okay, so 100 minus 50 within the bracket, close the bracket, then into 10 power 3 by 1. So t that, okay, then next you see, so t is 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So time is 50 into 10 power 3 second. Did you understand? Okay, write this soon. All of you listen carefully. Give very short answer. In that 3 questions are there. Yes or no? Yes. So you see that. First write the first one. Asher says all objects having uniform speed need not have uniform velocity. Give reason. So we have to explain with the example. Okay. Now you see here an object. Write the answer, children. Look at your book and write the question. Look at your book and write the question. Then you write the answer only. Okay, an object moving in uniform circular motion is moving around the perimeter of the circle with a constant speed. While the speed of object is constant, its velocity is changing. Example, merry-go-round, roller coaster, planets orbiting the sun. An object moving in uniform circular motion is moving around the perimeter of the circle with a constant speed. While the speed of object is constant, its velocity is changing. Example, merry-go-round, roller coaster, planets orbiting the sun. For writing question, you can leave place. First you write answer. Okay, after completing this class, you sit freely and write the question. Okay, children. Now let us see the second question. Now you see, second question. She moves at a constant speed in a constant direction. Rephrase the same sentence in fewer words using concept related to motion. She moves in a straight line with constant velocity. She moves, அதாவது சஃபரா மாறாத திசையில் மாறாத வேகத்தில் சென்று கொண்டிருக்கிறாள். அவளது இயக்கத்தை நம்ம தொடர்பு படுத்தி என்ன செய்யணும், பார்க்கணும். Rephrase the same sentence in fewer words using concept related to motion. She moves in a straight line with this constant velocity. Sapphira. Okay, the next. Correct your friend who says the acceleration gives the idea of how fast the position changes. Write this question, then write answer. There are 2 possible answers. Velocity gives an idea of how fast the position changes. How fast the position changes. Or acceleration gives an idea of how fast the velocity changes. Velocity gives an idea of how fast the position changes, or acceleration gives an idea of how fast the velocity changes. Okay, all of you take a homework note. Write the homework question. Fill in the blanks. Write today date. Okay, write today date, then you write the heading, fill in the blanks. Write the first question. Dash is the unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. Dash is the unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. Okay, right. Second, the unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ship is dash. Third question, the unit of speed is dash. Fourth one, dash is the rate of change of velocity. Fifth one, dash is a measure of the body's ability to maintain its original position. Read your book and find the answer. Okay, that second lesson. The answer is in second lesson. So read the second lesson, then find the answer. Okay, children. Many of you not reading the book. That's why I am giving this all question taken from the book, second lesson. Okay. This is what today homework. Okay, and I will give you some 3 questions. I will give you 3 questions. That's all. Okay. Homework question. Write the answer. Listen. Homework questions. And you take a homework note and write these all. Okay. Answer the following. What is non-uniform velocity? Give example. What is non-uniform velocity? Give example. Second one, define acceleration. Mention its formula and unit. Third one, write the differences between distance and displacement. Did you write, children? This is the homework question, and I will give you fill-ups also. So write the homework, find the answer from your book and write the answer. Okay, children? Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Before that, I will give you listen some work. You read your book, study the classwork note, and also study your book. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you all.